Hi, welcome to the new lecture series on software testing. In this video, we will look why we need software testing and how it is important in the real world. Into the topic, I shall make it clear that this video is only for the academic purpose and not for any commercial use. First, let us look into what is software testing. What is software testing? Software testing is nothing but a process to identify the correctness, completeness, and the quality of the software that is going to be developed. Or in other words, we can just put forth as set of activities that are conducted with an intent of finding errors in the software so that the defect-free software can be released to the customer. So ultimately what it states is, so the software need to be developed to the customer with error-free. When you look into the software development lifecycle, it has various phases like requirement, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. When you look into it, apart from the testing will be constituted even in requirement phase. The design phase also has a portion of testing involved, even in implementation where a portion of testing is being involved. So when you put all together, the impact of testing will comes around 50% of the work in the entire software development lifecycle. This makes the software testing phase as one of the important phase. Now let us see how important is the software testing is by considering some of the real case examples. First example, we will see an airplane crash which happened in April 1994, where an aircraft named China Airbus A300 was being crashed in the space and almost 264 people were found dead because of it. The major reason for the crash was found to be the software bug. The next example is about a Therac 25, a radiation therapy equipment failure. In 1985, Therac 25, a radiation therapy equipment, was being failed and caused around 3 people to death and 3 were critically injured. The reason for this incident was found to be a software malfunction. The satellite launch failure is one of the most quoted example and also the most expensive disaster too. In April 1999, a military satellite was being launched and this was being bursted and failed within 10 seconds from the launch. And the cost of it was estimated to be around $1.2 billion. The reason for the failure was found to be a software bug. The final example that we see is a bank fund mistransfer. In May 1996, 823 customers of US Bank were being credited with $920 million in their bank account. This was completely due to a software bug. When you look into all the examples, we shall see that the software testing is more important, and also we shall say software bugs can be expensive and sometimes dangerous to human lives as well. From the outset, when you see software testing looks simple, but when you look into it, the software testing is not so simple, and also testing a simple software is not easy too. We shall discuss that with an example. Let us see an example of computing the total number of test cases for validating the password. The constraint for that password shall be the character length should be 7. The first character of the password should be a numerical value and the remaining 6 characters can be of alphanumeric. When you start determining the number of test cases required, the first character should be a numeric one where it can be filled using 10 combinations from 0 to 9. When you look into the other 6 characters, it could be an alphanumeric. where there are 62 combinations of alphanumeric values. From either it could be a digits from 0 to 9, or alphabet with lowercase a to z, or an uppercase alphabet a to z. So the total combinations that is required for the entire password could be 10 characters or 10 combinations for the first character, 62 combinations for the characters from 2 to 6. When you put all together, you'll be getting somewhere around 56,800 crores of test cases to be evaluated. Assume that to validate a particular test case, it takes around 10 seconds. Consider the total time required for computing the entire number of test cases. So it's almost around 18,011 years to compute the total test cases, which is almost away from the lifetime. Consider this complexity if you include the punctuation marks into it, where this number of test cases will grow more and more. So when you look into all these cases, we can say software testing is not so easy. But these cases need to be tested. How these can be handled? There are various software testing techniques that are involved. We shall discuss those things in the upcoming videos. Some of the reference materials that used for these lectures. Bye bye for now. See you on the next video.